What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. So from the title, you can already see that this is basically a remake of the Saweetie selfie dress. I made this for my 23rd birthday. I was trying to find somebody to make it for me, and I couldn't. Then I saw this TikTok of this girl who made it, so I was like, you know what? I'm finna make it myself.
They say I'm a bitch, say I'm always so blunt. I know I'm too real, that's why I don't say too much. You can get a little close, but I bet you can't touch. I'ma always talk my shit, pussy boy sit down and hush. Cause I run my shit, I keep my bag in my stick. Cause I know a bitch gon' talk, but ain't gon' pop off shit. I can't hang with no lame.
It really tested my creativity, but it was worth it. I got the job done. I got everything I used to make this dress from Joann's. Everything I got from Joann's except for this. So basically it Bluetooth connects to your phone and you can press the button and it'll take a selfie. And this is what I use to take my pictures. So those pictures right here on this dress, that was taken on my phone, on my front camera with this button. I took the pictures in my living room in front of the white wall. I edited them to make them look like a Polaroid. I wanted to give them that effect of a Polaroid. So I edited them to make them look a little, a little old school. And then once I edited them and they were to my liking, I went on Canva and then I basically just searched for a Polaroid. And once I found the size that I wanted, I put it in Canva and I cropped the picture and placed the picture inside the Canva to make them look like that. Once I did that, the next thing I did was print them out. When I printed them out, see, there was one right there where I was starting and it messed up because y'all, this is really, really hard. Like, the dress was cute as fuck, but it was so annoying. Like, I had to print out my pictures on picture paper. You can see how glossy it is versus how dull the back is, because it's picture paper. It's not regular printing paper. And so I had to do a test run to see how it was gonna fit, because you see I had to put the actual pictures on a black backdrop so I could see where I would be cutting out the picture for the dress. And so it was a lot of ink. I had bought so many things of ink for color and black because I needed both to make sure I had this black part and the color. I wanted my pictures to come out perfect. So that was expensive. If you got ink, you know how expensive ink is. It was very, very expensive. And the whole puncher was like $5. These right here are $25 a pack. I used 2 packs, which is $50. So these little things right here are $50. And to show y'all that I used 2 packs, matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all the 2 things, because it only comes with one of these in a bag, but I just put them both in here. I used 2. I bought 2 packs, $50. So if y'all wondering why I'm charging y'all so much to make this dress, because it is expensive to get the stuff to make the dress. This is what you'll need the hammer for. If I didn't already say it, you will need a hammer. I know you probably like, girl, what the hell you need a hammer for? But you need a hammer, sweetheart. So this come with everything you need except the hammer. So make sure you have a hammer. I didn't bring it in here for my video because hell, y'all know what a hammer look like. And if you don't, get off my video. And that's just that on there, honey. These was probably like $1, but these little things was $25. That's $50 for 2 of these. Not including the picture paper, which was $25. Not including the ink. And ink is $16 a pack. I still got ink left because I was running out. I had to continually go to Walmart. I had to go to Walmart and Joann's like 2 or 3 times because I ran out. So I would say make sure you have enough of everything to go to work with, because if you like me and you live in Dallas, everything is a 10, 15, 30-minute drive. So get enough while you're already there. That's pretty much everything you will need to make the dress. So now I'm gonna go and show you guys how I made the dress. So last night I ran out of the little thingies to put on top of the hole, so I just had to go back to the store. So now I can show y'all what they are. It's called dress. It's these little thingies. I'm just going through hole punching my pictures. Don't mind this picture. Coco just ran in here and ran on my pictures, and she messed this one up. I'm still gonna use it though. Y'all know me. Don't mind how I'm looking. It's early in the morning. Well, it's not early in the morning anymore, but it's Sunday morning. Okay, so I finally have all of the thingies on all of the pictures, all the holes are in, all the silver things are on top. So right now, I don't know how I'm going to connect it. I have the bottom row done. I just don't have it connected to the second row. I only have 2 connected to the second row. Again, I'm not sure how I'm going to do that because last night it was frustrating. So yeah, I'm not really sure. But for right now, I'm just going to go with the flow, and hopefully y'all be able to see. I'm gonna try to zoom in a little. with the clamps. I'm finna have to go in and take this bottom row off, and then I'm gonna just add them to the ends because it's too long. And I'm kind of glad because, baby, I need these clamps. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, I'm finna just go in and take the bottom off.
Try not to get as much as the backside as possible.
Okay.
If I need to twist the dress, just let me know.
I can't see it.
Yeah, you can't really see anything. Like, it look real good.
Okay, ready? Full body shot right now.
That's all I want. Well, you can do some close-ups, but all I really want is
The
full
full
body.
body. Okay.
And,
I do want close-ups. I'm like,
and then keep that pose, but look like show your eyes. You looking down, but like we can't see your eyes. You give it
Yeah, right there. Go back.
Yeah.
Look that way type shit. Yeah.
Right there, right there.
Yeah. But not so fucking mean.
What sweetie pose you talking about?
like this.
Oh, okay.
Just the fuck like that. That shit is hot. Wait, I gotta get a video. Hold on. I need a song. What's the song?
I should have to do this side, this side. If you want me to make your dress, just shoot me a DM on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever you follow me on, whatever you saw my dress on. I will respond. I've gotten a few orders in that I have to go in and make, so I'm gonna be making this again, and I will make another video of me throughout the entire process because it's new. I was gonna get 1,000,001 questions. So if I didn't answer any questions that y'all have, again, shoot me a DM. I'm open to asking any questions. I'm open to making any dresses. If you want to make your dress yourself, baby girl, please do it yourself. I want you to do it yourself so you can see how creative you can be, because you can really do anything you set your mind to. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, send it to a friend.